Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. Today, we're going to be making elderberry syrup, a great immune booster. So let's get on with it. Today's ingredients are 500 grams of elderberries. Mine are fresh, but they were frozen. But if you have the dried ones, you just half the quantity. And 400 grams of organic honey, a bunch of fresh thyme, and 1 lemon, the juice and rind of it. Our first ingredient is, of course, the elderberries. They are an excellent anti-inflammatory. They help to boost the immune system, excellent cold and flu remedy. It also helps to protect the heart and lessens stress. And then we have our fresh thyme, which helps to alleviate coughs. It helps in boosting our immune system. It's very good for a sore throat, and it can also help in boosting our mood. This organic honey is rich in antioxidants and is excellent for soothing a sore throat. Lemons are fantastic for the health. They're a great source of vitamin C. They can help to soothe a sore throat. It aids in digestion, as well as many other things. Place the elderberries, thyme and the lemon rind into a large saucepan, and then cover that with water, and make sure that the water is a centimeter above the elderberries, and then cover the pot and then let that simmer gently for a good 30 minutes until the elderberries are completely soft. Next, using a fine sieve, we're going to strain the elderberry mixture, and making sure we use something to squeeze down on the sieve to get all of that goodness out of the berries. While the mixture is still warm, add the lemon juice and the honey and stir that in really well. Look at this super rich elderberry syrup. Excellent for the immune system and a must-have to combat colds and flu. Try it and let me know what you think. Thank you for joining me today on Forever Vegan Inspo, and God bless you to be in good health.